Hi KG1. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn with Teacher Iman channel. Today I will resume Connect Plus Unit 1, Lesson 5 and 6. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Last class we stopped here in lesson 5, which is connect with science. As we know, if we talk about science, I talk about what? I talk about senses. Okay, if we say science, I talk about senses. How many senses we have? We have 5 senses: smell, sight or see, taste, touch, and taste. Okay, we have smell, see, taste, touch, and hear. Okay, you have hear, touch, taste, see, and smell. This is called what? Called senses. Senses we use this to know things. Okay. When I say I smell, so what is the part of our body that we use to smell without thinking? Nose. When I watch TV or I watch or I play video games or I play on my phone, what can I use? What's the part of our body or sense that we use to do so? We use our eyes. When we want to take pizza or when we want to eat pizza or to eat apple or to eat orange or to eat any food. So in this, what's the sense that we use it in this part? We use mouse. We use mouse. Here is taste. Okay. When I would like to know if this something is soft or hard or anything, so I use what? I use my hand. So here we use the sense of touch. When I want to listen music or I listen music or listen my teacher or anything or listen anything. So here we use here the sense when we hear. I use which sense is that I use to hear? I use ears. So we have here 5 senses. Let's note here we have smell, see, taste, touch, and hear. We have here with the senses the parts of body we use is nose, eyes, mouth, hand, and ear. So here we know we have a language sentence that we use it to describe this sense. I smell with my nose. I taste with my mouth. I see with my eyes. I touch with my hand. I hear with my ears. Let's think together. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. I taste with my mouth. I see with my eyes. I touch with my hands. I hear with my ears. Okay. Let's answer the activity related to this part. Here we have smell. So smell. So as we know, smell. What is the sense that we use to smell? We use nose. So I select number 1 by this picture. Okay, this one by this one. Touch. Touch with what? With my hand. Without thinking, our clever pupils. Hand. Here with what? With my ear. Here with my ear. I think this by this one. The same. The picture is beside the sense. See. Which one is see here? Eyes. I say I select number 4 by this one. Okay. Taste. Which one is taste? This one by this one. Here we say mouse, but taste we use tongue. But here we say mouse, so we know it as mouse as it is. Okay, 5 by this mouse, by this picture. Yet a flower. Here is a flower with me. What can I taste? I can touch the flower or can smell flower? No, I can smell flower. So I select this one. Here we have sun and the sunset, and the sun goes down. So here we use what? We use hand or we use eyes? No, we use eyes. Here we have a headphone. So I use what? I use ears to listen music. Fruits. When I want the fruits, I do what? I use my mouth. When I play with my cat, I use my hand. I touch with my hand. Let's continue the exercises related to this part. I smell with what? With my nose. I taste with my mouth. I see with my eyes. I touch with my hands. I hear with my ears. Okay. Here we have here by what? By hear the music. Okay. So I select number E by this one. Here is mouse. Which one? Which one is mouse? The one who eats. So I select this one by this one. Eyes. Which one is eyes? The one who seeing by the telescope. So I select this one by this one. Touch. Touch with what? With what? Touch with my hand. Which one? Touch the dog. So I use the hand to touch the dog. So I select this one by this one. Smell with my nose. This one by this one. There is lesson 5 finished today. We go to lesson 6. Today I will give you lesson 5 and lesson 6 only to because I want to make the content difficult. I want to make the content easy to study and to keep the vocab easily. Okay. So today we have lesson 5 and lesson 6 only. Okay. Next class I will continue the rest of the unit. Here we have this letter is called letter. What is this? What is this letter called? KG1 called B, letter B. So I select capital B. I write capital B and small b. After I finish the video, I will leave the link of this book below the video to download it and trace this letter. Okay, you must trace the letters and keep the vocab. Okay, there is capital B and small b. Capital B and small b written like this. I will write it. I will written separated. This called capital B and small b. Capital B and small b. I think now we know it. Okay, let's go to another one. Here we have want to know the letter B, capital and small. This one. This is capital B. Which one capital B? This one. Capital B, this one. Small b, this one, and this one. So you must take care that we have D and have B. This is D. This is called B. Okay, you must take care when you select it. Okay, here is B. This is B, small b and small b. Here is small b. Capital B, and capital B. Here is make this exercise to let you know which is capital and small b. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is a book. You can color the book. Here is we have bye. It is bye or saying goodbye. Blue and brown. Bye, blue and brown. This is the letter B. Okay, letter B here. Bye, written like this. Blue, written like this. I will write it for you to trace to know how to write it. Okay. If you have a paper and pencil, you can have paper and pencil and write it with me. Okay. Here is brown. Here we have blue, brown, and bar. Okay. This is the words begin with letter B. This is brown, blue, and bar. Let's go to another item here. Here we have capital H and small h. So today we took how many letters today? We took 2 letters. We took capital B and small b. We took capital B and small b. And here we took capital H and small h. So this is capital H and small h and capital B and small b. I would like to know how to write it, okay? To trace it, to practice how to write it, okay? To make your handwriting also better, okay? Here is capital H and small h, capital H and small h. Okay. If someone of you is not keeping the letters, you return to the letters and keep again. Okay. The alphabets. You must keep the alphabets. Okay. And know how to write it in capital letter and small letter. Okay. You can return it. This book. This book in the first we have a revise on the alphabet. You can keep it if you forget it. Okay. Here we have capital H and small h. Capital H and small h. Let's go to another one here. Here we have also the same as the previous. We must select the H, capital H and small h. Here is capital H, capital H, capital H, 3 capital H. This one, this one, this one. This is like XO, and that we're playing that we're playing in the previous years. We can play X and O. So here we have. The one who have X can do this. So here we have capital H, capital H, capital H. So which one is small h? This one, small h, small h. We have a small h also, two small h. This one and this one. This is capital H, capital H, capital H. Okay. You can write. I leave you to color the hair. Okay. Here we have hair, letter H, hair, hand, and hello. Hair, hand, and hello. I think you took hello in the connect. Okay. Here we have B. Which one is B here? This one by this one. I select this one by this one. Big. Which one is big? This one by this one. Blue. Which one is blue? This one by this one. Hand. This one by this one. Hair. This one by this one. Hello. This one by this one. Let's go to another one here. Here, look and circle. What is this? Big. So I select this one. Number 2. What is this? Hand. I select this one. B. I select this one. So hair, which what's the letter that begin with here? Begin with here. Hair, letter H. Blue, this is B. Book, this is book. Okay. Let's know the how to write these words. As I will trace one of two of them, and I will leave the rest to do by yourself. Here is bake, written like this. I will write it to you separated. Bake, written like this. It's called bake, and this is called B, written like this. Okay. Written like this, B, and this called here. I try to make handwriting better, but your handwriting is better than me. I think so. Okay. Here we put the missing letter here to complete the sentence, to complete the word. Okay. This is bad, B, and here. I will leave the rest to do by yourself after keeping the vocab. Let's go to another item here in this part. After I finish, I end our video today. Here we have by. Here we have by. Here we have by, written like this. I will see you how to write it. By, written like this. This is called by. Here is hello. By and hello is greetings, called greetings. Okay, I think you know greetings. Okay, hello. And this is from. Grade KG2, I would like to say you must keep the vocab to answer, to be easy to answer the unscramble question and the missing letter. You can't answer these questions without keeping the vocab. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is the letter H. Which one here is the letter H? Hand. Excellent. Which one is letter H here? Hair. So I select this one and this one with letter H. This one and this one. Which one? Which called letter H. Here is this is related to letter H. Here is hair. And here is hand. Okay. Started with what? With letter H. Okay. Here is hand and here is hair. Okay. Let's go to another one. To another question. Here we have letter B. Okay, here we have letter B. Which one is the letter B? Here is bag. This again with letter B. Yes. So I selected B. I selected. Why? Because it's we know the BZB. Also, it's beginning with B. Book. Yes. I can select hair or hand. Wrong. It's not wrong. So the answer it would be letter B. B, bag, and book. Okay. Now you know the words related to letter H and words related to letter B. Today I finished our lesson today. Next class I will start 7 and 8. Lesson 7 and 8. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.